All right, today we are going to explore this question here that is asking us to figure out a probability given some information, but not everything. In a certain Algebra 2 class of 20 students, 12 of them play basketball and 13 of them play baseball. There are 3 students who play neither sport. What is the probability that a student chosen randomly from the class plays basketball or baseball? All right. So it appears this question is asking us to find the following piece of information. The question's asking us this. What is the probability that someone plays baseball or basketball? In order to find that information, it's going to be really helpful for us to draw out a table. And so here I have one ready for us. We want to draw out a table that gives us these pieces of information. The first being who plays basketball, who doesn't play basketball, and the total. And then also who plays baseball and who doesn't play baseball and the total. The table already has filled in information from the question. Here we see that the total number of people that play baseball is 13 students. And we see that up here. Also, the total number of students who play basketball is 12. We know that 3 students don't play basketball and don't play baseball. And we know that the total number of students in general in the class is 20. With all of these pieces of information, we can fill out the rest of the table. Right here, this total box, 13 students play baseball, which means that the other students in the class out of 20 don't play baseball, which means we do 20 minus 13 to give us 7 here. Same goes here, 12 students play basketball. The other 8 students in the class do not play basketball. Now we can use these total boxes to help us figure out what the other missing ones are. Right here I see the total number of students that don't play baseball is 7. There's already 3 that also don't play basketball, so that means that there are 4 here. Since the total number of students that play basketball is 12, there are already 4 that don't play baseball. The other 8 also play baseball. And here we see that this box and this box need to add up to make 13. 8 plus 5 gives us 13. Now, our goal next, what we want to do is we want to figure out what's the probability that people play baseball or basketball. In order to find that, we want to look at the boxes where there's baseball and there's basketball. And I see that in this box. Oh dear, sorry. I see that in this box because those people play basketball and they play baseball. I see that in this box because these people, even though they don't play basketball, they still play baseball. And then I see that in this box because even though they don't play baseball, they still play basketball. And so we see that the number of students that play each of these things out of the 20 is 8. Oh dear, sorry. I'll do that down here. 8 plus 5 plus 4, which is 17 students. Out of how many students total? Well, we know the total number of students is 20, so 17 out of 20. That's our probability that someone plays baseball or basketball.